Hey, I'm B, and I'm very wary of the fact that Buzzfeed thinks they have made the perfect chocolate chip cookie. Today, we investigate, because science. And also I wanted to eat a bunch of chocolate chip cookies, okay.
Let's be honest, chocolate chip cookies are always good, but when you have a really, really good one, it's life-changing.
Buzzfeed thinks they made the perfect chocolate chip cookie. Here's the thing though, everyone in the comments is arguing like a lot. Some people say it's too salty, some people say it's too sweet, and other people say there's way too much espresso in here. So today, we're gonna find out if Buzzfeed are a bunch of liars.
Why the fuck you lying?
And it's not the best chocolate chip cookie in the whole world. Or we just have different taste buds than Buzzfeed. Different taste buds than Buzzfeed. Join me in the quest to find out if this is the world's best chocolate chip cookie recipe. First, we gotta go to the store and get something. Coincidentally and weirdly, the only thing from this recipe I really had in my pantry was chocolate chips. That's usually not the thing you have in your pantry when you're baking cookies. You usually have the flour, the sugar, any of the other ingredients. Another note about ingredients is why the fuck is vanilla extract so expensive? Like $13 for vanilla extract. The other thing that I thought would give more credibility to our experiment, because I'm a credible scientist, is if I compared that chocolate chip cookie to another chocolate chip cookie. This is a Sprouts chocolate chip cookie that retails for 99 cents. And as you can see, it's mostly eaten for science. Oh my god, oh my god, that's so good. We got some shopping to do.
Baking soda, I got baking soda.
What do you do now? How come it's not coming out? Oh my god, it's just coming out of the sides. We're only gonna be here for 1 more hour. Oh my god. Oh my lord, what even is the purpose of this if it all comes out of this? Why am I sifting this? Who has the patience for this? I am a genius. Okay, what is even the point of that when it comes out like that? Why did I just, okay. I'm boiling a potion. Just kidding, it's butter. Is this brown yet? Are we calling this brown or no? Mine's not browning, it's still whiting. Okay, I finally got it to brown. What I can tell you is that it smells so good. Who would have thought brown butter would smell good? I don't know, it smells amazing. Okay, in this one, we're gonna add all the sugar and stuff. So, this recipe is getting way too involved, like, honestly. Not gonna give up. Oh my gosh, just buy yourself some cookies. I don't even do this much work for like cooking dinner. Well, it's creamy. It's not like hers though. I wonder what I'm doing wrong. Okay, then I add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk.
Totally incorporated. A little bit of flour that's not incorporated is actually good. You'll finish incorporating the rest of the flour when you fold in the chocolate.
L is for the way you look at me.
Look guys, I made them wrong. Like, why are mine coming out like this? What's happening? Why? Oh, whoop. All right, now we have the most important part, the cookie pull. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so chewy. Oh yeah, it's really soft in the middle. Oh, delicious. All right guys, hi, we're back. After like 3 hours of baking cookies, we're gonna try them now. First thing, gooiness, check. Second thing, spill your milk. Check. Oh, I should try them before. Wow. Oh my god. This is insane. The melted butter, the browned butter is like, it's like the basic flavor in this. It's insane. Oh my fucking god. Like, I'm gonna stop eating it. It's not too salty and it's not too sweet. I don't know what you guys were talking about. There's not too much espresso in here, and I used a really good high quality espresso. No, everyone arguing in the comments, they're perfect. The melted butter, the brown butter, is a flavor I've never experienced before, and I'm definitely gonna try adding that to like, welcome to my mukbang. We only eat chocolate chip cookies every Wednesday. Oh god. I wish I had someone to give these to right now, but I gotta edit this video, so. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys try out these cookies. Let me know in the comments what you thought about them. Maybe I made them wrong. Like, check out my recipe, tell me if I did something wrong and that's why they're so fucking good. I don't understand why everyone in the comments is complaining, but thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!